Right, we're looking at slightly more complex algebraic fractions this time. The first one, you've got two types basically. The first one, you got a couple of quadratics. They don't have to be quadratics, but they tend to be. Okay, and basically what you've got to do is factorise them. Forget that it's a fraction initially. Factorise the top, factorise the bottom, and a bracket will cancel out. It will match on the top and the bottom. So x squared minus 9 factorises, and you should know this one. This is the difference of two squares, isn't it? So factorises to that, and then the bottom, one of those brackets up the top will match one of the brackets down the bottom. If they don't, you've got it wrong, because they really wouldn't ask the question unless one of them matched. So I need two numbers that multiply to make negative 15 and add to make plus 2, so that's going to be plus 5 and negative 3. Now any brackets that match, because they're multiplied, okay, will cancel. So cancel, cancel, and what I'm left with is x plus 3. You can keep the brackets if you want, I'm not going to bother. X plus 5, and that is a simplified fraction, and I think everyone would agree that is much simpler than the initial one. Now the second one, again we're looking at adding, subtracting fractions, so we need a common denominator. Now with this, all you've got to do is multiply the denominators. Now I'm going to do it as one long fraction. Okay, so we get x minus 4, x plus 2. Now you can multiply out those brackets, you don't have to. Ultimately you've multiplied them, so that's fine, but if you wanted to multiply out and make it x squared minus 2x minus 8, that's fine. You're just causing yourself extra work, and potentially you could make a mistake, so it's another opportunity to make a mistake, so probably worth avoiding. Now I've got to do some cross multiplying, so this has got to multiply here and this has got to multiply here. Alright, so we get 5 brackets, where is it, x plus 2 minus 3 brackets x minus 4. Now that's not quite simplified yet, so I'm going to have to simplify all of that, and we get x minus 4, x plus 2, multiply out the brackets or expand the brackets, we've got 5x plus 10. Now we're multiplying the second bracket by negative 3, so negative 3x plus 12, because minus 3 times minus 4 equals 12, and then tidy up, and I'm running out of space. I started too low initially, didn't I? What a fool. Where are we? Now we've got 5x's minus 3x's, which is 2x's, plus 22, and there is our answer. Okay, now that is marginally simpler, isn't it? But ultimately that's what they're asking you to do. So there you go. Right, and I do excuse the x on the bottom bit. In fact, I might even rub that out and do that again. We've got 2x, okay, plus 22. Right, so basically multiply the denominators, then cross multiply, expand, simplify. Jobs are good.